at number 5 is the German wonderkid Julian Draxler. At the relatively young age of 27, the German has failed to solidify a starting position in Paris Saint-Germain. Ever since enjoying in 2017, earning an annual wage of £6.1 million, he has failed to turn heads and deliver on his much expected growth as a player. Failing to prove himself to the fans and the French outfit at large, he really only sits on the bench and calls it home. Well, coming in at number 4 is Kepa Arrizabalaga. The most expensive keeper on the planet has found his team and his term under Frank Lampard, played by mistakes and misfortune. The Spaniard, who makes 7.8 million annually, has now lost his starting spot to the Senegalese shortstopper Eduardo Mendy. The 26-year-old has no one to blame but himself for such an outcome. Try not to lose your balls, Kepa. Coming in at number 3 is the Danish playmaker who has failed to solidify himself as an integral part in Conte's squad. The ex-4 player Christian Eriksen left unexpectedly to chase trophies in Serie A but hasn't proven himself, making a huge annual wage of £11.9 million with nothing to quite show for such a price tag. Well, the top 2 is left, so hold on to your seats. In number 2 is Mesut Ozil. At his peak, was considered the best player in his position. At the age of 32-year-old, has seen less and less game time ever since Arsene Wenger retired, with Emery experimenting with him from time to time and Arteta completely freezing him out of the 22-man squad for the English Premier League. The German is the highest paid player in London outfits, earning about £18.2 million in annual wages, and he barely sees any game time. Much speculation is that there's an internal strife within the squad, with some assuming the play style and the current game of football has passed him by. Well, at number 1, sadly, is Antoine Griezmann. The one-time third runner-up of the Ballon d'Or has completely flopped in Barcelona after making a surprising move from Atletico to their rival side, which left a lot of fans scratching their head. Is now currently struggling with form and consistency, sadly providing 11 goals and 5 assists in 42 appearances for the Catalan side in La Liga. The World Cup winner has failed to show why Barcelona activated his huge buyout clause of around £120 million, while subsequently earning a whopping sum of £29.1 million in annual wages. Griezmann has failed to show such consistency to watch such a high price, and that is why he's our most expensive trash, a player not worth his price tag.